Hello everyone, this is free daily current affairs test discussion, okay, with the explanation. Try to answer these questions. Which of the following statements are correct? Nobel Prize is awarded to the achievement or discoveries done in the same year in which the prize is announced. Nobel Prize is awarded posthumously only for the field of peace. The answer is D. Neither one nor two. Both the statements are wrong. Um, is not awarded to the achievements done in the same year, and Nobel Prize is generally not awarded posthumously. Okay, uh, it was in the news. There is usually a gap of few decades between the work and the prize because the uh, work does not immediately prove to be a greatest benefit of humankind. So, for example, John Gordon shared the 2019 chemistry prize for his work on lithium ion batteries in 1970s. Similarly, John Nash won the part of Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in 1994 for the work he had done in 1950s. So it generally happened. Similarly, it is not given posthumously. Okay. Second question: which of the following statements are correct? The Malabar series of exercise began as an annual bilateral naval exercise between India and the US in 1992. Malabar naval exercise is held every year in the western coast of India, Arabian Sea. The answer is one only. The second statement is wrong. It is not only held in the Arabian Sea of India, it is held in the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, even in South China Sea. In those regions, it has been held. Um, Japan joined the naval exercise in 2015, and from Malabar 2020, Australian also participated. So it is held in various parts of Indian and Pacific Ocean. So this year it is to be held in the Visakhapatnam. It was in the news. Next, India has indigenously manufactured nuclear-powered ballistic missiles, submarines, and the SSN project will be a follow on that. Regarding this, which of the following statements are correct? INS Arihant is the only SSBN service in India. The SSN are the critical requirement for the Navy as they give unlimited endurance to perform a variety of tasks. Answer is Answer is two only. The first statement is wrong. Not only the INS Arihant. India's second SSBN INS Arigat was commissioned into service at Visakhapatnam in the end August. It joined INS Arihant. INS Arihant was commissioned into service in 2016. So India has already indigenously manufactured a nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, that is SSBN, and the SSN project will be a follow-on to that. The reason is the second statement of the question. Okay. Next, carbon border adjustment mechanism is UNDP's tool to put a fair price on the carbon emitted during the production of carbon-intensive goods that are exported from a country. It is the European Union's tool to put a fair price on the carbon emitted during the production of carbon-intensive goods that are entering the EU. The USA's tool to put a fair price on the carbon emitted during the production of carbon-intensive goods that are entering the USA. None of these. The answer is B. It is the European Union's tool. Recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman called out the European Union's initiative such as carbon border adjustment mechanism and deforestation rules as unilateral and arbitrary measures that will hurt countries like India. It was said by the Union Finance Minister. The European Union's carbon border adjustment mechanism is the EU's tool to put a fair price on the carbon emitted during production of the carbon intensive goods that are entering the European Union and to encourage the cleaner industrial production in non-European countries. It is the objective of this. Okay, but actually, the Union Minister said the developing countries and the underdeveloped countries will be affected due to this because European Union is the well-developed country. They have almost all the nations are well developed and they have shifted to renewable energy. But here, the developing and underdeveloped countries they have to depend on the non-renewable resources. Okay. Consider the following countries: Myanmar, India, Vietnam, Laos, Thailand. How many of the above countries are permanent members of ASEAN? Only two, only three, only four, all five. The answer is only four, except India. Brunei Darussalam, Burma, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam are the members of ASEAN. So the ASEAN India Summit is to be held in the country Laos. Recently, it was in the news. Okay. So evaluate your current affairs preparation daily using the free test available at www.geodomy.in. Be productive in your current affairs preparation and save your time by taking test and evaluate yourself daily. Thank you all.